How to fix SHEIN suspended account. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check if your SHEIN app is up to date or not, cause that might be also the reason you are facing this issue. So launch your Play Store or App Store. In the search box, type in SHEIN and then search for it. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, your problem might be resolved. Next up, what you have to do is launch it. Now go ahead and try to log into your account. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you have to do is you have to send email to the SHEIN customer service team. For that, launch your mail app. Now compose the mail. In the subject part, briefly describe about the issue that your account has been suspended. You haven't violated any rules of the SHEIN, but your account has been suspended. You can contact SHEIN by email at legal@shein.com or media@sheingroup.com. And then you can send it. With that, SHEIN customer support team will get back to you. So this way you can easily fix SHEIN suspended account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.